Welcome to 49 Jodphur Avenue, a charming 1.5-story 3-bedroom brick home situated within North York's well-established Humberlea neighbourhood. This corner property is dotted with evergreen and seasonal shade trees, while 2 cedar trees bring a sense of privacy to the front porch and main entry door. The interior living spaces are warm and inviting, beginning with a graciously sized living room brightened with natural light through its oversized west-facing picture window and finished with oak hardwood flooring and crown moldings. 2 wall cutouts finished with wood trims enhance the room's openness, while warm wood finishes are found throughout much of the home and include most of the baseboards, door and window trims, and interior doors. Ceramic flooring is found throughout the foyer and main hallway and into a lovely and naturally bright dining room with an elegant light fixture, which is open to the kitchen, a bright workspace that enjoys both north and east-facing exposures, as well as additional natural lighting from the dining room's west-facing window. Featuring newer appliances and updated with granite counters, the kitchen also features a ceramic backsplash, ceramic flooring, a stainless steel double undermount sink, as well as an abundance of cabinetry storage, including a large pantry area. Just off the kitchen is an additional pantry and storage closet, as well as a 4-piece washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a space-saving vanity, and a combined bath and shower area. While completing the main level is a cozy bedroom with hardwood flooring, a ceiling fan, and backyard views, which is also well suited as a private home office. This home falls within the catchment areas of Gulfstream Public School, St. Simon Catholic Elementary School, Emory Collegiate Institute, and St. Basil the Great Catholic College School, and is close to neighborhood parks, places of worship, a community center and an arena, the Humber Valley Golf Course, and the Humber Valley Recreational Trail along the Humber River. The upper level is carpeted throughout and features a linen closet, as well as a 4-piece washroom with ceramic finishes, a wall-mounted sink, and a bath shower combo. The 2 bedrooms are characteristic of the era in which this home was built, and both feature large windows, ceiling fans, and ample closet space. A well-maintained home with only one owner since the 1960s, featuring a newer roof and with most of the windows updated, this home also has 2 separate driveways at the rear, one which accesses a detached single-car garage. The backyard is nicely sized and has a garden shed, a magnolia, an apple, and a pear tree, a raised vegetable gardening bed, a storage shed, as well as a partially covered patio area just off the rear entrance to the home, which also provides direct access to the lower level. This level has a separate storage area combined with the furnace room, a spacious laundry room with washer, dryer, ceramic flooring, and abundant storage, and also features a huge family recreation area with ceramic flooring and a brick feature wall surrounding a gas fireplace insert. There are many nearby plazas within a 10-minute drive for groceries, shopping, restaurants, as well as banking, medical, and professional services, while destination malls such as Yorkdale Shopping Centre, Sherway Gardens, the 7400 Power Centre, and Vaughan Mills are all within a 20-minute reach. For commuters, it's just a short walk for TTC service along Weston Road, while the Weston and Etobicoke North GO stations, as well as access to highways 400, 401, and the 407 are all short car rides away.